Hello, and welcome to Sigen C and I Inverter Installation Guide video. This series will demonstrate how to mount, wire, and commission the product. Unpack the inverter and check that the items in the package are complete. Remember to check for any damage. This series can only be a supplement to the installation guide. Please read through the entire installation guide before installing or operating Sigen C and I Inverter. Choose the proper installation site based on the site selection requirements in the guide. Required clearance space is also essential to keep the product away from other objects nearby. Sigen C and I Inverter should be installed vertically. Before you start the installation process, please prepare the protective equipment, installation tools, and required cables in advance. Inverter installation methods. If wall mounting installation is adopted, use a scribe board and a marker to determine the positions of the holes for the mounting brackets. Install the mounting brackets according to the determined hole position. At least 3 people are required. If support mounting installation is adopted, determine the holes for the mounting brackets based on the distances shown in the video. At least 3 people are required, the inverter to the mounting bracket. Install the mounting bracket to the support with 4 M8 expansion bolts. Please note the mounting position on the back of the inverter. Secure the connection plates on both sides. The installation is complete. Before you start, get familiar with the wiring area of the inverter. Before connecting cables, ensure that DC switch is in the off state and the front switch of the AC line is off. Secure the connection plates on both sides. Prepare a PE cable. Connect the PE cable to the PE point. Open the maintenance compartment door. Remove protective cover for AC cable. Remove the sealing plate. Cut a routing hole of the appropriate size based on the cable diameter. Prepare an AC power cable. Remove an appropriate length of the jacket and insulation layer from the wires. Crimp OT terminals and install heat shrink tubing. Put the sealing plate on the AC power cable. Select an appropriate AC switch in accordance with local industry standards and regulations. Connect the AC power cable. Secure the wire to corresponding terminals. Put the 5-core sealing plate on the single-core AC power cable. Connect the AC power cable. Apply fireproof sealant if the seal is damaged or AC cable wiring after cables are routed. Series, please refer to the following cover for AC cable. Close the maintenance compartment door. Open the maintenance compartment door. Please distinguish the AC terminal positions for grid connection and backup load connection. Remove the ceiling plate. Put the ceiling plate on the AC power cable. Backup loads. Connect the AC power cable. Backup loads. Secure the wire to the corresponding backup load terminals. Put the ceiling plate on the AC power cable, grid. Connect the AC power cable, grid. Secure the wire to the corresponding grid terminals. Apply fireproof sealant if the seal is damaged or sealing failure occurs after cables are routed. Install protective cover for AC cable. Close the maintenance compartment door. Prepare positive and negative DC terminals in sequence as required. Crimp the positive and negative metal terminals onto the positive and negative cables respectively. Measure the voltage between the connectors. Remove the dust-proof caps and insert the positive and negative connectors into the corresponding positive and negative DC input terminals of the inverter. Disassemble the RJ45 cable connector. Connect the cable to RJ45 connectors. Crimp the RJ45 connector using an RJ45 crimping tool. Insert the connectors into RJ45 network ports. Disassemble the RJ45 cable connector. Connect the cable to RJ45 connectors. Crimp the RJ45 connector using an RJ45 crimping tool. Insert the connector into the COM port. Insert the Sigen communication module into the USB port. Tighten with positive rotation. Prepare 2 DC power cables. Remove an appropriate length of the insulation layer from the wires. Crimp DT terminals. Disassemble the protectors. Route the DC cables through the protectors and assemble together. Connect the DC power cables. Insert the connectors into Sigen stack network ports, RJ453. Check the following items before starting the system. System power on. Set DC switch 1 and DC switch 2 to on. Scan the SN code. Add a new system and fill out system details. Confirm and next. You can manually set and modify some function parameters of the power station. Conduct a one-click full system check to identify any potential issues with the installation. Now you have successfully added a new system. Click to check the real-time status of the system and device.